Scrolling through Pinterest, I found this really nice Harry Potter canvases, and I decided to do them with the only materials I already had at home. The first step was creating the canvas. I didn't have any canvases around, but I did have cardboard boxes. The first step was to cut out 4 squares out of the sides of the boxes. Then I cut out little strips of cardboard to make the sides of the canvases. You need 4 per canvas, so you need a total of 16 strips. With all the pieces ready, it's time to assemble the box-like structure of the canvas. I started by taping the little strips into the main square. I then turned it around and started folding the edges over. I decided to leave the white side on the back of the canvas so that it would look cleaner. And anyways, I'll be painting over the right side, so it doesn't matter what design it used to have. I used more tape to hold everything together and also sort of smooth out the rough edges of the canvas. Once I had all 4 canvases, I primed them with white acrylic paint that was sticking well not only to the cardboard but also to the tape. I coated them evenly in the respective colors, 2 white and 2 black. And once the paint was dry, it was time to start drawing. I used random containers around the house to help me create perfect circles. I didn't measure everything for the Deathly Hallows, but overall just free-handed the 9 3/4 and the Patronus. With the sketches done, it was just time to finish painting.